Hello everybody, I'm Ian, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a GlowLib model support. First of all, you're gonna need to head to your garage mod directory, root directory. Then you can either go in the folder Lua or in add-ons. Now, if you're an add-on creator and would like to publish these GlowLib add-on supports, you can just make a new GlowLib. You can just make a new folder. You can just name it something to reference your model with. I mean, custom support. You can just do that. Then you need to go inside, make a new folder called Lua. Then you need to go inside Lua and make a new folder called Outrun. Then you need to make a new file. You can name it whatever you want. I'm not sure you can use white spaces like this, like spaces. So please don't. Use, I forgot the name, underscore, underscores for the, if you want like to identify it as space, I guess, I don't know. So yeah, you can just do sh. I do it as a personal reference to know it's a shared file. GlowLib custom support. Now some of you, this may by default be a txt file. If you're on Windows 11, which I hope you are, you can see file name extensions here. If you don't show it, you can't change it. So if you don't have it enabled, just go on view at the top and file name extensions. Then you can change the extension and you need to make it a Lua. Now, if you don't have a text editor, I mean like a, no, it's not an IDE. Yeah, Visual Studio Code is a good, it's not an IDE, it's more like a text editor, but very improved. So you can either probably, you can still probably use Notepad, but yeah. If you have Visual Studio Code, just use that. If not, use Notepad. So over here, let me just pull it aside for a second. Apologies for this. Oh wow, we hit 2,000 subscribers. Damn! And 200 ratings. Damn, y'all are amazing. Anyway, you can see this documentation thingy. It's a you can use it as a placeholder. You can just paste it in. But first we're gonna check if GlowLib is actually installed, because if it isn't, well, this is not even gonna work. So might as well prevent some errors. So, you have your function. Now, what you need to do next is replace the model name, model path, with the actual model path of your model, which you can very easily do if you just use an add-on called extended spawn menu, which I'll show you in a second. It's pretty much this add-on, and does it have a fucking thing with a model? So yeah, here's an example. You need, if it's an add-on, your model, you can go to add-ons here, you can see it, and then pop-ups like these will go below it, but they're gonna be with the add-on name instead of Assassin's Creed, Star Wars models, whatever. When you press on them, like you see, the blue bar, these are models. Like these little squares are models. You can right-click on them and press copy to clipboard, and it's gonna return a message in this format. It's gonna start with a slash and it's gonna end with that MDL. Then, in the case your model has the lookup, the dice attachment, you can see here, you should just use that. You can use the functions. So you have forward, you have up, and you have right. Now you should multiply, like use multiplication on these. Just if it's right, if you do multiply by 3, it will go right. If you do -3, it will go left. Same with this. If you use 3, it's gonna go up. If you use -3, it's gonna go down. You can modify the number to whatever you want. Just make it look good on the eyes to where it is. You can, if you use forward, multiply by 3 is gonna go forward. If you use minus 3, it's gonna go back or whatever. Yeah. Now, in the case your model doesn't have the attachment, you're gonna need to use local pos equals and get pos, local ang equals get angles. Then you're gonna return the position plus ang up by 3 plus ang by forward by ang 2 plus ang right by 2. Yeah, these are essentially the same, right, forward, up. If you use negatives, as I said, they're gonna go in the opposite direction of whatever it says. But yeah, you can pretty easily align the eyes with this. Also, if you don't have an attachment, you should just remove the attachment thing. You can modify your colors. This is a skin index. For example, the Combine Soldier starts with skin index 0, which is the blue-eyed version. And skin index 1 is the shotgunner version, which is essentially a different eye color. And the color alpha you can just change to your personal preference, I guess. You can see how it looks. The code does update in real life, so in real time, so if you just update something, it's gonna change like a second, I believe. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Happy coding, guys. Goodbye.